Takin po tayo, takin ha. Rubina. Number 8, 2 points. Noman.
Anong pangalan niya? Yung number 23 na Noman.
Box for 3. And
Anong pangalan?
Wait, sabi ko mga
Patrick. Huh? Patrick Noman pala.
Yung sa Adrian?
number 23. Wala. Rebound Tiros. Steal by Patrick Noman. Kinasa kay Kuya Adrian. 2 points.
Wala kuya. Wala kuya.
Dito mo na, dito mo na. Ilan taon na ba yan, Adrian? Ilan taon na siya?
23 ako.
Tawag sa akin, Daddy.
Number 5. Pass to number 8. 8 seconds. 5 seconds. Out of bounds, same ball. 3.4 seconds. Number 8. Adrian. Pass to Rich. Rich is traveling violation.
Ganda sana match up nun, kasi ano, kasi Pats.
Kaya nakainitong pa naman.
Number 8. Traveling as well.
Kasi sana nung kampi niya. Tapos,
Hindi mo nilaroon.
oo.
Lagyan na lang ng
Di
tape.
pa. Kakampi.
Lilit siguro.
Pass. Drive. 3 seconds violation.
Kaya bigyan mo naman like names.
Bawal, pre.
Bawal, hindi gagalit.
Nagagalit.
Hindi gagalit ng nicknames.
Na iba.
Sa inyo lang, pwede sa inyo lang. Sa inyo lang.
Number 8. Rubinos. Offensive foul.
Patrick Noman, Mikey Mouse. Mikey Mouse, hindi Mickey. Bulldog, pwede na din.
Rich. Pass to Patrick Noman. Mark Santos, 2 points. Right. Kailangan sa kaliwa. Tira na 3. Wala. Rich rebound. Steal. Rubinos, Pulika. Patrick 4-0. 2 points for Noah at Adrian.
Saan kulang score?
Ha? Okay na, sinuman pala. Sa ano lang, tali.
Ten seconds. Number 23, wala. Rebound, Mark Santos. Pinasa kay Rich Isgara. Pinasa kay Noman Patrick. Malpas Pats. 3 points. Well, 2-2. 10-point lead by Yolanda. Number 5.
Ay,
Pass to number 23. 10 seconds. Number 8. Out of bounds. 6 seconds to shoot. 6 seconds. Robinos inbounding the ball. Pass to number 3. Julian Ipan. Kick number pass to Rich Esquera. 2 points. Time out. That's it.
mayroon mo dyan.
Pagka-ano po siya.
Back to the ball game.
Tape mo pre. Tape mo pre, may tape ka? May tape ka?
Bilis sa course.
Meron sila eh. Meron sila.
Number 8, wala. Rebound. Adrian, sinasakay. Ay, si Josh naman to. Number 23, drive. Wala. Rebound. Number 5, huling ulit ni pass. Rich all over for easy 2 points.
Ay, may tape sila. Nice one.
10 seconds. Wala. Rebound number 13. Sinasakay Rich. Sinasakay Josh.
Ballpen. Sapat ballpen. Sige.
Samak.
Pass. Pass to Idol. Wala. Rebound Rubino. Sinasakay number 23. Number 23. Behind the back. Layup. Huli ulit ni pass. Offensive foul.
Nice one, Bailey. Nice.
Offensive foul number 5.
Ay, kumuha ka na siya.
Foul number 5.
Ilan na yung 5?
Sa number 5. Sa ano? Dalawa na?
Second personal foul. First free foul. 80 seconds to shoot. 18 seconds. Steal. Counter steal by Rich. Esguera. Pass to Adrian Haman. Corner 3. Bang.
Next.
Number 29, pass to number 23, number 8. 10 seconds to shoot. Rubinos, napitawan ng bola. Nakuha ni number 13, pinasa kay Adrian. 2 points. Number 8, pinasa kay number 5, and number 23. Wala, rebound Rubinos. 2 points. Rich, kinasa kay number 13. Adrian for 3, wala. Rebound number 5, kinasa kay number 8. Number 8 against Adrian, 2 points.
Okay. Hindi ako.
Esguera, kinasa kay number 13. 8 seconds, Esguera for 3. Wala, rebound number 23. Number 8, left. Right, tapos. Rebound number 13. Kinasa kay Josh. Kinasa kay Esguera. Alley-oop to pass. Kinasa kay Esguera. 2 points. Number 5. Drive. Pero may foul. Foul number 13. First personal foul. First foul. 2 shots for number 5. First shot is good. Two out of two. And at the first quarter, official score 23-8. 15-point lead by Yolanda Holmes. Nagagalit si Rep eh. Nagagalit si Rep. No, not you, Max.
Kulang din sila eh. Wala yung ibang ano, mga bruiser.
Wala yung ano, yung shooter. Yung shooter rin, yung maliit lang.
Hot. Looking for teammate. Decides to shoot. Wala, rebound number 23. Pass to number 3. Number 9, sorry. Pass to Sarabia. Sarabia, ito na. Wala ang may foul. Foul number 13. Second personal foul. First team foul. Two shots for Jason Sarabia. First shot is good.
Sino foul doon, pre?
Number 13.
Sorry, pre. Number 13 ulit. Dalawa na siya 13.
2 out of 2. Jason Sarabia. Patrick. Pass to Max. Max, moving the ball. Pass to Mark. Allowance. Arway. A break goal. Number 5. Pass to Jason against Mark. Jason. Wala. Rebound number Mark Santos. Pinang sa kalaban. Number 13. Pass to number 29. Pinasa kay Jason. Jason. Pinasa sa labas. 8 seconds. Steal. Mark. Patrick. Basket good. Nag-isama pa foul. Ball number 9. First personal foul. Second team foul. Bonus shot for number 23. Patrick Thomas. Bonus shot no good. One more. Point lead by Yolanda Holmes. Number 5. Wala. Rebound Sarabia. Pero may foul. Foul number 13. Third personal foul. Second team foul. 2 shots for Jason Sarabia. Two out of 2 again for Jason. Josh pass to Patrick. Pass to Mark Santos. 2 points.
Sino points?
Sarabia against number 13. 2 points. Patrick. Outside pass. Pass for 3. Wala. Rebound Jason. Steal by Josh. Ball number 5.
Ano na yun? Number 5.
Tatlo na.
Third personal foul. Stop. Fox against number 8, Fox. Wala, rebound, Jason. Sarabia. Titira ng 3. Wala, rebound, number 13. Pass to Josh. Number 13, tinasakay Patrick. Wala, rebound, Jason. Tinasakay number 8. Number 8 against Fox. 12-point lead na lang. Josh, pass to Mark. Arbas. Number 3, pass to number 9, nasa kay Jason. Back to number 23. Pulling it back. Tara na recovery number 8. 2 points. Simula ang pagbabago para sa break. Roman, pinasa kay Santos. Pull-up. Pumalak pa. Bawal pumalak pa.
Ref, sub.
Wait.
Technical foul number 0 sa Rabia. Sabi doon sa ref. Technical free throw. Rich, takin tayo, Rich. Takin.
Players, takin.
Technical shot, no good. Para kay Mark. 16 seconds shot lang, 16 seconds.
Ilan na isa sa Arabia?
Arabia, first personal. Roman, Patrick, pass to Rich. 8 seconds. Patrick Umira. Wala. Rebound number 13. Spins. Tinasa kay Rich. Fakes. Fires. 2 points. Ball number 23. First personal foul for number 23. 13 foul. One shot is good.
Ano ba? 31?
Jason. Wala. Number 8, rebound. Wala pa rin. Rebound, Mark. Santos. Pakita si Patrick naman. 2 points. Jason. Crossing over, Jason, wala. Rebound number 5. Pinali kay Jason. Titira na 3. Wala. Josh, pass to Patrick. 2 points. Number 23. Steal by Rich. Patrick naman, all alone for easy. 2 points.
Dead ball ko dead.
Number 8. Pass to number 23. Pinali ka number 8. Number 8. Stable. Sabi ko sa ref. Rubino's in, number 23 out. Ay, 29, sorry. 11 seconds shot lang, 11 seconds. Number 9, wala. Rebound. Rich, sinasakay. Josh, basket is good. Foul number 9. Second personal foul. 13 foul para sa Tatlay. Bonus shot for number 4, Josh Brad. Ay, number 0 pala. Bonus shot is good. same ball. Number 23, hello. Wala, rebound Rubinos. Foul. Foul number 19. Number 19, first personal foul, 30 foul. Two shots for number
16 ba?
16.
Rubinos. First shot, no good. Second shot is good para kay Rubinos. Shot clock is off. First off. Pinasa kay Josh. Sinira ng tres. Bank shot is good. And that's the first half official score. 43-19. 24-point lead by Yolanda. Offensive foul number 16. Offensive foul number 16 on legal screen.
Gago, skora ko.
First personal foul for Rubinos. Basket good, John. Basket good, pero offensive foul.
Counter pero foul ni Rubinos, di ba?
Bridge pass to Christoph. Christoph drives. Basket good, like isang pang foul.
Yung si Rubinos.
Foul number 16, Rubinos. Second personal foul, first team foul. Christoph, wala. Rebound Rubinos. Sarabia. 2 points. Ola, 2 points. Wala, rebound Ox. Ox. Pass to Josh, di mabuang bola. Rebound. Mahirap pa. Bright. Drives, 2 points. 22-point lead. Josh pass to Christoph. 2 points by Adrian. Wala, Iwan Rich. Titira din ang tres. Wala. Rebound Christoph. Kaya sa Josh. Josh, 2 points. Steal by Bailey. Pass. Bailey. Steal. Sarabia. Wala. Sarabia ulit. 2 points.
Nasab kayo kuya.
Sigera. Pass to Josh. Sigera ng 3. Wala. Rebound Rich. Sinasa kay Pats. Pats. Ace foul.
Ito na yun, pre.
Post caller. Foul number 23. Substitution rep. Substitution.
23 yun, nasab.
Lubinos.
Ilan? 23.
Ang foul? Saan 23? 23 ba yung foul? Oo. Kala si Rubinos.
Josh. Foul number 13.
Number 13, sab.
Sa?
First personal for number 13. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Arabas. Number 23, technical foul. Number 23, technical foul. Substitution rep, substitution muna.
Don't be too greedy, man. Throw offensive. That's F. Ay, ba MVPC?
Number 13. Jason, sa loob. Wala, rebound Rich. Pass to still by number 13. Number 23. Driving the lane. Wala. Number 23. Nasa kay Jason. Jason sa loob. Wala pa rin Jason Red. 2 balls. .1 lead. Patrick. Foul na naman. Foul number 13. Number 13.
Ilan, sab?
Ay, putang ito yung sa... Dalawa pa lang.
Number 13, second personal foul. No man, still hindi. 6 seconds. Number 17, Ilan Tres. Bang!
Siko. Sakto. Siko.
Wala, Jason. Arvans. Same ball. 14 to shoot, 14. Jason, 2 points. Arvans. Same ball. Patrick naman, pass to Santos, is foul. Foul number 9, third personal foul. Warning for penalty, which is for number 19, Santos.
dun sa rules eh.
Rebound number 13. Nasa number 23. Number 23. Wala. 10 seconds. Foul number 19.
19 sa ano?
Dito sa Gabriel na.
Hindi.
Hintin nyo lang dito, tuno.
Second personal foul for Santos.
Ano mo na to? Na ano ko sila? Hindi ko nahihirapan ako. Hindi pantay.
Ano nangyari? Okay naman ah.
Hindi. Sentro ba? Okay pa rin.
1 out of 2. Patrick, 2-1. Jacob.
Tinulak siya ano?
Nakapansin eh.
Hindi ko rin nakapansin. Kaya gusto ko makita eh.
Nakita ko. Kumito na ako, sir. Nakita ko. Hindi na lang kayo. Hawakan niyo.
Teka lang. Best lang.
Blue, disqualified.
Disqualified foul number 5. Number 5 out of the play court.
Hindi, sir. Kita ko.
Intentional kasi pre.
Sir, when
Sina.
wait, sino ba ang coach sa inyo? Coach lang ako.
Kape.
Sino coach sa inyo? Okay, sir.
Vice captain. Captain yung tawag natin, vice captain.
Sige lang. Kalma lang.
Sir, okay. Two shots. Tama na, sir.
2 shots for number 7. Sino titira?
Coach, naka-replay. Parang tinulak ka lang kasi. Hindi ko napansin eh.
Hindi ko ba pwede mag-replay?
Hindi ma-replay to eh mamaya.
Mamaya tuloy, abangan ko. Hindi.
Ah, kita ba nangyari?
Hindi.
Hindi ko nga rin dito eh.
Mamaya sa replay.
Kita naman sa replay yun. Oo. Wala naman kami ginawa eh.
Sige lang.
First shot, wala.
May ganyan na pa siya.
Hintayin third quarter natin ha.
Kanina pa sila mag-strike.
Kasi yung una eh.
First shot, second shot. End of the third quarter, official score 57-32, 25-point lead by Yolanda. White ball kasi technical disqualifying foul.
Oh, 3 minutes.
Angeles up to Potts. Parts of 3. Shorty. Rebound number 8. Number 8 pass to number 13. Hindi masasag ang bola. Out of bounds. Potts. Pass to Josh. Pinasa kay Cristo. Bang! Rebound. Jason. Drives. 2 points. Steal. not completed. Arba, single.
Nice play. Go!
18 seconds to shoot. Free stop. Pass to Rich. Pass to Norman. Adrian. Hot. 10 seconds. Josh. Ball number 8. First personal foul. First personal foul. Two shots for number 0, Josh Caprara. First shot is good. 2 out of 2. Number 8, nasa number 23. Nasa kay Jason. Jason, pass to number 23. Wala. Jason, 2 points. Adrian. Pass to pass. At wala. Rebound. Number 23. Pinasa kay Jason. Titira ng 3. Bases, no. Josh, pass to Adrian. Titira ng 3. Wala. Rebound to Sigera. Wala. Rebound to Robino. Pinasa kay number 23. Jason against number 13. 2 points. Christoph, pass to Idol. Josh, pass to Rich, corner 3, on the way. Wala, rebound, Josh, nasa kay pass. Pass, short, a rebound, Esquera, 2 points. Number 8 against Christoph, 2 points. Hot. Foul number 16, Rubinos.
Tatlo na pre.
Third personal foul. Second team foul. Baseline inbound. 14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds. Hot. 4-3. Wala. Rebound Jason. Sarabia, 2 points. Hot. Pass to Rich. Adrian, 4-3. In and out. Rebound number 23. Nasa kay number 8. 2 points. 20-point lead. Fox is fouled by number 13. Number 13. Third personal foul, 13 foul. Christoph, pass to Rich. Pinasa kay Adrian. Wala. Rebound number 23. Pinasa kay Jason. Jason against Fox. Fake. Kuliga. Offensive foul, number 8.
Run!
Sanito Sharif. Qualifying foul, number 8. Number 8, out of the playing court. Technical shot for number Malbas. Technical shot.
Malbas.
Parang tutok lang eh.
2-2.
Score!
Josh. Side step 3. Wala. Iwan. Number 20. Jason. Titira ng 3. Wala. Norman. Has to reach. Pinasa kay Josh. Josh. Has to number 13. Christoph. Pinila. Iwan Santos. Pinasa kay Josh. Josh sa loob. Wala. Iwan number 23. Has to Jason. 2 points. Christoph. Pass to Adrian. Runner, wala. Iwan Rich. Wala. Jason. Nakuha ka. Pinasa ka na ba 3. Tira na 3. Bam! 17-point lead. Rich pass to Christoph. Basket good for Mark Santos. Foul number 0 sa Arabia. Second personal foul. Penalty. More shot is good for Mark. Steal. Bounce pass, Rich. Good ball. Number 29. Number 13, layup, wala. Rebound, Mark. Rich pass to Norman. Norman. Josh drives. Wala. Rebound number 29. Nakapek. Steal completed by Christoph. Reach for 3. Wala. Rebound sa Arabia. Pinasa ka number 13. Number 13 against Christoph. Wala. Rebound Rich. Pass to Adrian. Titira na 3. Bang! Rubinos. Layup. 2 points. Rich, pass to Christoph. Back to Rich, 2 points. Rubinos. All alone, 2 points. Still not completed. White ball. Sabi doon si rep. Aido, wala. Steal, not completed. Number 23, hindi ako ng 3. 2 points for number 9. Number 17. Pass to Josh. Titira na 3. Bang! Jason Sarabia at the dunk. Wala. Christoph. Titira ulit ang 3. Wala. Rebound Rich. Titira ulit ang 3. Bang! Jason, reverse is good. And of the whole game, official score 82-57. 25-point lead by Yolanda Holmes. Picture po muna, picture. Yolanda Holmes muna, Yolanda Holmes. Picture sa gitna, Yolanda Holmes, tapos the prep, susunod.